Here comes Bianca, Miss Clumsy, trying to get up.
I suck.
She does suck.
Jessica, aren't you coming?
No!
Don't try this at home.
Whoa! Don't try this at home.
Jessica, you coming? How come?
I got a headache.
Bianca, what? You gonna be my partner? If you wait for me, I can't. Okay.
Let's see who's the first to fall. See what happens when they come down. Say bye, B.
I got mocos.
Ew, frozen mocos.
No, they're not frozen. They keep swallowing them.
Ew, that's even worse.